Guys, in this video we're gonna unbox the Poco M7 Plus 5G Aqua Blue. It costed me 16,085 rupees and I bought it from Flipkart. This is 6 GB RAM and 128 GB internal memory variant. It has massive 7000 mAh battery, Snapdragon 6S Gen 3, and it supports 18-watt reverse charging. That means you can charge your other device with this phone. You can use it as a power bank. Inside the box we get a silicone case, a 33-watt charger, a cable and a phone. As you can see, it comes with a pre-applied screen protector. It has a hybrid SIM slot. You can put either two SIMs or one SIM plus memory card up to 2 TB. Test the reverse charging of this phone. As you can see, this phone is charging my Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 LTE 44mm, and it supports 18-watt reverse charging. That means you can charge your other device with this phone. You can use it as a power bank. You can see that the fingerprint response is pretty fast. Silicone case came with the phone. It comes with pre-installed bloatwares, some ads, but you can remove you install this.